everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play with a little bit of Victoria Beckham Beauty. So I have been so excited waiting for these to show up. I did get an eyeliner as well. And now you guys, they just launched some of the lip products, which I did order, and they are on their way. So we'll do another Victoria Beckham look, but I just have to show you, this packaging is outstanding. Such a beautiful quad, and I ended up picking up the signature quad along with one of the lid lusters and then the bronze eye pencil, which you guys, these eye pencils are amazing. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look today, playing with some of this Victoria Beckham makeup, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're gonna play with some beautiful Victoria Beckham today. You guys, I missed out on the original launch. It all sold out. And I just cannot resist this packaging. The little preppy in me is just loving the tortoise shell. These are nice and thin, kind of like a business card. It has a really nice mirror in it. And then I went ahead and got the signature palette that just seemed like I would wear all the time. I know it may not be the most exciting one, but to be honest, it's so beautiful. And now I sort of want tweed. So I need your help, guys. Do we want to see tweed is sort of a warm, beautiful kind of fall look. So this is just gorgeous. I'm going to give you a little swatch. And from everything I have been seeing, these are really a nice formula. They are a little bit powdery, and one of my good little friends here on YouTube, ALISA, she said, look at that payoff of that chocolatey brown. She said to go ahead and use an eye primer, that the one thing is she felt like the longevity of the shadows that they kind of wore down. So you guys, here is a swatch of this beautiful signature palette. And I also was excited to do this look because I know a lot of you, there's been so much shimmer going on and you wanted sort of a matte look. So I'm excited. This is a clean brand. So Victoria is kind of hopping into that kind of clean and green brand. I did order some of her lip products. They have not shown up yet, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm using this. I have a sample of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have a little bit of her eye primer. I generally do not use eye primers, you guys, so this will be new to both of us, but I thought, you know what, since she told me that, I was like, we might as well do that. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I generally just put concealer on my eyes, you guys, just to kind of even out. So I am just going to pat that in. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry down for a minute. Kind of, I normally don't wear eye primers, so this is making me laugh. Definitely gave me a blank canvas upon which to work. Okay, real quick, this is Cami. Next to it is this beautiful peachy color in Slip. Then we've got this dark chocolate that is in Saddle. And then this awesome color in Suede. You guys, these are just super pretty usable. Now, the suede over here, you guys, I'm not sure if you can see, it's got a little bit of a satin finish to it, not completely matte, okay? So I am going to take a Wayne Goss, and this is number 16. Now, of course, I need your help because I am interested in investing in some Sonia G brushes. I love the Wayne Goss, but I was curious as to whether to get the Sonia G, just to go ahead and get the Pro kit, or if you have some favorites that you like. I'm gonna take this Cami and I'm just gonna place this all over the lid with a fluffy brush. Next, I am going to take the Wayne Goss number 18. I am going to go into this beautiful slip, this kind of peachy color. And I am getting a little bit of powder kick up, you guys. Nothing too terrible. Look at that beautifulness. And then I'm going to place that on the lid. I think what I've been kind of playing around with these, and what I found is that these are subtle and buildable. So they're pigmented, but that they kind of come on like you can slowly build them up. And I'm just gonna start building that up into my crease, kind of on my lid and on my crease. I'm now gonna take my Wayne Goss 17. And again, that's still kind of fluffy, but a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna go into this beautiful suede color. You guys, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna go in the outer V. And then just slightly bring it up with a very light hand into my crease. So can you see, you guys, they're like very beautiful, like it's subtly kind of coming together. Very blendable. Okay, I grabbed my ROEN Everything brush. You guys, I really enjoy this brush. If you can get this at Sephora. I just really enjoy this brush. I'm gonna go into this deep, that's called Saddle. And I am going to kind of smoke the eye out a little bit by putting it close to my lash line as well as underneath my eye. I'm gonna start doing a little bit of her signature smoky eye. Running that underneath my line. I'm actually gonna mix the two of these, the light and the dark, together. Starting to smoke that eye out. I'm gonna go back into this slip here, that light peach, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more lightness on the top of my lid. We're gonna stay with matte, and then I did buy one of the lusters. Mine actually came cracked, but we can still show you what it looks like. We're gonna keep it like this, kind of do her traditional smoky eye. I'm gonna close my eyes, kind of show you where I'm at with this. And then I got one of her SATIN KAJAL liners, and I got it in the color bronze. So Victoria had mentioned that during the day when she wants to do a smoky eye, she doesn't always want to put black on. And is this a gorgeous pencil or what? You guys, I'm in love with the pencil formula. They're super soft and creamy. I really like this color. It's very unique. It's not like any kind of color I have. So I'm gonna put that in my waterline as well as on the upper and lower lash line. It is a really pretty color. I'm gonna see if you can see that. I'm gonna take the other side here and smudge this out. I really like the pencils, guys. Now they did have a Bordeaux as well as a black pencil. I thought I would just start here. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Espresso Chanel eyeliner. Kind of got that classic signature smoky eye. I'm gonna go put on some mascara and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like, the matte version, and then we'll play with the luster. Okay, I did purchase one of the lid lusters and I bet you guys can guess. I picked it up in beautiful mink. Mine did come cracked and so it is a little bit glittery, but look at this. Oh my goodness. That is like the most beautiful. This is again what I would call more of a sophisticated shimmer glitter, and hoping that it's going to be okay for more mature eyes. Now, to be honest, I really like the way this kind of matte, simple look just for the daytime, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on my eyes just to show you. But I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of like leaning a little bit towards wanting just to have a day-to-day where I wear a little bit of matte, just kind of simple eye. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Let's just go ahead and have fun with this because it is such a pretty color. And again, you guys, here is the look. Just real simple, classic. I mean, who doesn't want to be Spice Girl? And I'm just gonna put this guy on and I'm just tapping it right close to that lid. You guys, I don't want to get too much of this on. I want to show you how pretty this is though. And I'm gonna blend that out with my brush in a minute. Just taking a teeny bit. We're taking this look up just a little bit. You guys, gonna take my little finger here and I'm pressing gently. This is a really unique texture. These are feeling almost, it kind of goes on dry, but then it's like a creamy, if you can see on my finger, it's a creamy consistency. So again, just gently. I don't want to get glitter all over myself. So far, you guys, I'm not having fallout, so that is good. And this is such, I am in love with mink. Now again, you guys, you do not have to do that extra step. That is a really, really pretty color. And I'm just gently going to, wow. Okay. I was gonna skip that part, but I actually really like that. You guys, that is really pretty. I find that if I don't do too much, I feel like I can wear that during the day. Just a really pretty, this could be your glam or just a little bit of sparkle there. I really like that. Now, she is all about lip liner and kind of like a lip gloss. So we are gonna put that on next. And then you guys, I already did my face and complexion today for the sake of time. So I am wearing Sicily foundation. I used one of the new Tom Ford Majev glow sticks. I used Tom Ford Terra bronzer, and then let's go ahead and put a lippy. Okay, for lips, you guys, I am going to use a Chanel lip liner. This is in Nude. This is one of my favorites. But yes, I did order a few of her lip liners and her Bitten, I think it's called Bitten Lip. Kind of like a, I don't know if it's a gloss or kind of a, it says it's sort of a matte kind of hybrid. So we'll see, but I'm gonna just line my lips with this. And then I'm going to use this NARS little lipstick. This is in Sexual Healing. And it's kind of a hybrid, you guys. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's going to make my lips look a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna date myself here. Way back when, and I guess this would have been in the 80s, late 80s, 90s, there was a NARS lipstick called Viva Las Vegas. And I have been on the search. It was my absolute favorite lipstick to kind of use a lip liner. And then it kind of had this look to it. This is not exactly it. But I want to see if any of you guys had Viva Las Vegas. This one is leaning a little bit more on that pink side, whereas Viva was sort of a gold, almost maybe honey colored. And I have been on the search for that because it was my absolute favorite lipstick ever. And I do love this formula. So this has got a little bit of reflect in it, and that's exactly what Viva Las Vegas did too. Let me give you a swatch here of this guy. This is a really pretty sort of topper, you guys. Really pretty shimmer. It's sheer on your lips, so it's kind of giving you that glossy effect, but in a lipstick tube. And this is the color Sexual Healing. And if anybody knows of a dupe for Viva Las Vegas, I've been on Temptalia. It's so old that I'm sure they don't have it anymore. I literally remember buying it at Saks on Canal in New Orleans. I was living in New Orleans at the time, and I got a lip liner and that Viva Las Vegas, and you guys, it was like my go-to lipstick for many of the, I guess I want to say 90s. Late 80s, 90s. It was the best lipstick ever. Oh, it is so funny how you have these memories of makeup when you find something that you really love. But this is one that I completely finished the tube. I bought another tube of, which I never do because I am a makeup junkie. But this one is a little bit similar, but I would say more on the mauvey pink side versus I believe my Viva Las Vegas was more in that golden honey side. So anyways, just dating myself here. I would love to hear if anybody else tried Viva Las Vegas. And then as always, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.